Y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. You can see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a in-office professional zoom whitening. This video is super self-explanatory. I will pop in and out just to explain a couple things, but right now I'm just showing you guys what comes in the kit. This is the zoom whitening kit, like I said before. Each box comes with 2 kits, and I think we pay about $90 for each kit, which is a pretty good deal. We charge about $3.50 for our in-office whitenings. So right now, this is everything that you need to do the whitening. It has all the instructions. Whitenings are super easy. It tells you step by step how to do it. It gives you everything that you need. What you need is probably a mirror, cotton pliers, and maybe an air water syringe. But yeah, this kit comes with everything. So right now I'm just going to be doing the first step, which is putting the vitamin E oil on my patient lips. Next, I'm going to be putting in the retractor, step number 2. This is probably the most uncomfortable thing to do for you and the patient, but just let the patient know ahead of time that it will be uncomfortable so they don't think that you don't know what you're doing. Before you do any of this, you can polish the patient's teeth if you would like, just to get any film off of the teeth. It's not mandatory, but you can if you want to. Step number 3 is to put the cotton rolls on the top and the bottom. Step number 4 is to put the gauze in the cheeks, 2 on each side. Alright, so step number 5 is to put this barrier over the retractor just to protect the patient's skin from the light. Number 6 is to put the barrier around the gums. This is called a liquid dam. This is probably the most important part because you don't want to burn the patient's gums. It'll be like a little peroxide burn, but you still don't want the patient to be uncomfortable. This is probably the most tedious part because you don't want to see any pink. So really take your time with this part. They give you 2 different tips in the kit. The skinny tip is for the main detailing around the gum, and then there's a bigger tip to fill in the rest of the gaps. Not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they want to know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. And the light just makes the liquid dam harden so it doesn't move all over the place. This is that bigger tip that you want to use to fill in the gaps, and you also want to kind of attach it to the cotton roll so that it's easier to take off. So right now I am just applying the bleach, and on the side I'm just squirting out the whitening solution until it runs out clear, until there's no air bubbles. So now I'm just applying it to patient's teeth, and you just want to apply the bleach to the teeth that you can see, obviously. So I'm gonna apply the bleach. The patient's gonna sit under the light for 15 minutes. Then I'm going to suction it all off, reapply it, sit the patient under the light for another 15 minutes. She's going to do this 4 times. So yes, the rest is pretty self-explanatory. Make sure you guys keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you comment down below some more videos you guys want to see from me as well. I'm going to be posting a lot more, so stay tuned.
We'll see what's about to happen. We'll see what's about to happen. We'll see what's about to happen. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? We'll see what's about to happen.
Is that you, Mac?
We'll see what's about to happen. We'll see what's about to happen. Okay, we'll see what's about to happen.
One more thing before I go, the light will beep once when there's 3 minutes left, and then it'll beep 3 times when it is done. So it gives you a warning, just in case you're doing something else. It lets you know that you have 3 minutes left, and then once it's done, it will beep 3 times.
Swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they want to know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? We'll see what's about to happen. 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 Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? We'll see what's about to happen.
Is that you, Mac?
We'll see what's about to happen. We'll see what's about to happen. We'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. No box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one, and that is the only two. Man, how many times have I shown improvement? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes.